What's good, guys? How is y'all doing today? So today is Wednesday, by the way. Yesterday was Tuesday and I did not see any setup to take, so I did not trade. So I just took my first trade here, as you can see on this USD card. So I took my first trade here. I entered here. So let me show you. So this is it here. This is on the 5k account. The 5k did not fumble today. So this is the 100k here. So let's see how it goes, guys. I do not want to make any clip long this week, so let's see how it goes. I'm hoping for it to sell, and if it does sell, I'm going to add to the winners. I'm going to add to a winning trade and just see what I can get out of this trade, and I hope it goes well. This week is NFP week and I'm going to be taking very few trades. This is one of the only 2 trades I'm going to take this week. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to update you anyhow it goes. You know the vibe. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's you and Ops again today again. So guys, today is Thursday, and this is the trade of yesterday. I lost this trade and I was right in the direction once again, but I was wrong in the entry. And apart from that, this trade played out because of it played out around FOMC, and that's something with this market. Anytime there's a big news coming around, it will most likely consolidate to the news and it play out. That's one thing the market does. So I didn't take this trade, and I would never, even if even if for any reason, even if there was no news, I will not hold any trade till around 7 o'clock to trade. So that's one thing. But it's what it is. It played out. But now I want to document this trade here, so everybody will see how I do document my trades. So as you can see, I've taken 7 trades in the 20 trade sample I'm trying to do here live. So I've won about 3 of them. So let's see. Let me document it. No, let me start with the number. The number is 8. It's the 8th trade. April 1st October, 1st of May. This clip is gonna be a little bit long. I can feel it. So it's the trade was 1st of May. Excuse me. I signed of what I don't know. So it's Wednesday, and also it was USD card. It was London break. My entry models was strategy, so it was London break. So it was a short. I didn't win the trade, so I'm not taking it. I am not taking it. And also I did not add to winners. So the session was New York. Entry time. Let's go for the entry time. So the entry time was 140. 3.40. The duration of the trade, let's go for that. The duration of the trade was it was about 2 hours. Crazy long trade. This trade was so annoying. When I mean annoying, it's go in profit, go in minus, go in profit, go in minus. It was up about 1.5 hours, but it's still it was a very, very stupid trade, for real. In profit minus, consolidated its whole entirety or its whole life. So the R multiple is -1. The potential risk to reward, I think, was 3. Risk to reward was 3 to 3.3. 3.3 3. So news, so many. There was FOMC, there was also something else and others. I can add it to them. Let's just put only FOMC though. It was a news day, so this is where it gets interesting. Why I took this trade. I took this trade following my trend, following our strategy, because the market was trending. Simple. Emotion. I didn't really feel any type of way because I kept convincing myself that everything was fine. So I didn't really feel. Which is the execution. So that's crazy. I didn't really feel any type of way. So me, I understand the power of the mouth and the power of the mind, like creating a belief and all those type of things. That's what has really helped me in this trading. I've been able to convince myself, tell myself like so many things about trading, and it's working for me. I've built a very strong mind, and I'm also still building that mind, because trading is like it's more about the mind than the charts. It's more about the mind than the chart. If you've been following this journey, you know that it's true. My hit rate is very low. It's very, very low, which means I enter bad setup. The thing about my hit rate is not like I don't get the direction right, but the entries are wrong. So I'm going to fix that thing along the line. There's no rush and there's nothing to cry about. But managing my mentality or managing my head and kind of like doing the right thing on the chart, following the plan, I've been able to really do a great job here. A good job in my opinion here. So what I learned now, one factor that made this trade that made this trade not really to play out, because the market kept rejecting from a level I would call the weekly level. So I want to avoid that level next time. But I'm not going to act on it. I'm not acting on it till after the 20 trades. That's just what it is. I'm not acting on it till 20 trade sample is done. That's just it. So avoid weekly levels or don't trade against the weekly levels. So yeah, that's about it. I just finished documenting this trade, so as you can see. So if you like this template, or if you want to like do something like this, okay, 4 minutes. Let me add the chart. And before I do that, let me turn on my volume indicator, because I like to use volume indicator. So this is a clean, or somebody might learn today how to document his trade. If you want to really know how to use that thing fully, how to create that template, which is not easy, it's not hard though. If there's a video I can recommend and you do it, I don't know if I'm going to put it down below, I don't just know, but I should remember though. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this right now and also go and add it there. Copy image. I'm going to go here, go back to my this thing, and I'm going to add it here. So this is very, very, very amazing. This is very, very, very amazing. I'm going to paste it here. This one, I found out about this one myself. I was not taught, and I was looking for a way to do it. I just touched and touched. See, so many things in this trading I've been able to teach myself. This trading, my own journey in particular, is taking it has taken so much time, because most things is self-taught for a truth. I've teach myself so many things. So yeah, this is it here. This trade was going to be a good one. I liked this trade, but it didn't play out. It's one of those things. So I'm taking 2 trades this month. Sorry, 2 trades this week. Why? Because it's NFP. And why am I doing that? Because I noticed that during NFP week, I take the most losses. So trying to avoid something like that, I'm taking 2 trades this week. So the trade I'm going to take today, Thursday, or tomorrow, Friday, is going to be the last trade of the week. That's if I see a setup. It's going to be the last trade of the week. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'm definitely going to update you. This clip is as long as it gets. Hello guys, and how is y'all doing today? So I just took a buy on gold right now. I just took a buy on gold from here. Let's see how it plays. I'm hoping for it to go up. If it does go up, it's going to be a clean trade. This is it on trading view here. This is the trade on trading view. Let's see how it goes. It was up a little bit. So this is it here on my 100k account. So this is what it looks like, and this is my last trade for the week. If this trade plays out or not, I am not taking any other trade again for the week. I'm going to come back next week and trade again. That's the only time I'm going to trade next week. Why? Because it's NFP week. I just took 2 trades this week and I'm done. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to update you how the trade plays out. You know the vibe.
So I basically just added to this trade right now. And as you can see, I added another position. Why? Because the market went in my direction, so I added it. But this candle really liked. This candle is so big. It's so big, but no, everything is managed. I love the fact I'm really following this trading plan. That's something I really love. And yeah, this is the trading view chart. This is where I was waiting for this double bottom and it worked. So let me delete it now, and it's no more useful. Oh, it's spiking. It is spiking. Let's go. Let's us go. You see, trading is a very funny game. Very funny game. When you're winning, you're happy. When you're losing, you're angry. But this is what it looks like on the 5k account. So it's a little bit slow here. You know how it always is. So this is what I'm doing. Good. It's all good. But yeah, I'll just update you guys.
I'm sweating really hard because my house is so hot right now. But as you can see, this trade is in profit. It's in profit here. Let me see what it looks like on the 100k account. Not even check. So it was 1-1 the time I left it. So what is it now? Okay, about 1.5. About 1.5. Let's go. Let's see how it goes. So let me go to the charts now. Why is here not loaded? Taking time to do everything. So there's a level here that the market is rejecting from. So I don't know. This is the level that I'm thinking about right here. So this market has hit 1:2. Clean 1:2. I'll be thinking of closing it because of this level here. You get me? I'll be thinking of closing it because of this level here. Because you just never know what might happen. You get me? So I don't know. Maybe I might close it, maybe not. I think I'm going to close it. I'll just update you if I do that or not. Let's see what the profit looks like. So it's so slow. So slow. It's very hot in my sights. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. Is this candle going to break above? Look at something will just open now and it's making the clips long, and that's what I don't like. I don't like the clips to be long. So there's a lot of level here, and if you look at this volume compared to what's happening here, you see that the volume is high, which is to say this level is a significant level. So I might close this thing. I might really close it and just be with what I've gotten. I might close it. This is still 1:2. And this is still 1:1. Guys, I'm closing it, Joe. So I successfully caught about 3R on these trades. So let's see, I just closed it there. It's going to close. Here it's wasting time. Here it's wasting time. But I'll update you. I just closed it though. I've closed it on the 100k. So it's definitely closed everywhere now. So what's good, guys? So guys, this trade I closed it for about I closed it around there. I just closed. As you can see, I've walked my way out of drawdown. I'm happy for that. So but yeah, this is the reason I closed the trade. I closed the trade because price have approached a level like this. So you can see this drop from here before. So I feel like price can come here and drop, and as you can see, the volume here, it's the buy volume is really a little bit reducing. It's not something I would like to see in a level like this. I would like to see big volumes here, but that's not what I'm seeing. And also the price is rejecting. Now it does not mean the price cannot continue. So I closed the first trade for 1:2.3 and the second one for about 1:1 point something. So it's not really the way I would like it. I wanted to close about 1:4, but it just so happened not every trade is going to be that kind of trade. So it's just by looking at this price and knowing what can happen and what cannot happen. So I think price will still go up, and if it goes up, I'm gonna really beat myself. Okay, if it goes up, I'm gonna really beat myself because I had a 1:4 to close here, but I left it because of this level. So let's see. Right now I want to go and play basketball, as the case may be, but when I come back I would like to see the chart. I don't like to go with my phone. I like to keep it at home. So when I come back I like to see the chart and see how it went. But yeah, I made about I made my way out of drawdown here. On the 100k account, we're up more than 0.5%. On the 5k account, we're still in drawdown. But just a little bit more than 2% drawdown. We're gonna work our way out. I work my way out. Do not worry. Don't worry. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'll update you. You know the vibe, and till we meet again. Tomorrow I am not trading, so this is the last trade of the day. Tomorrow I'm just gonna do the summary for this video. Let's go. What's good, guys? How is y'all doing today? So today is Friday, last day of the week. So this week was a good week, as y'all know. So I didn't trade today, just like I said, but look at that yesterday trade. The trade didn't really do much. It did not really reach my target of 1:4. So this is 1:4 here, and it didn't reach. It did not reach. So it didn't reach. It didn't. So this was my target. My target was 1:4.2. But I closed for about 1:2 and I left the market. So the market just went up for a little bit and it came down. So for me it was a good trade. So this is today's chart. NFP did this thing, went up and came down alongside. You know how it does. So anybody that made money. Anybody that did not. So for the P&L for the week, so let me take it to about 7 days. Let's see. So I made about $36 for this week. It was a great week on the $5,000 account. It was a great week. I'm down a little bit more than 2%, just about $4 more than 2%. So I know I'm going to kill this. I'm going to make it back, so no problem. If I'm up about 1%, if I'm up 1% on this account, I'm withdrawing. I'm also going to get my refund. That will be a very special withdrawal. A very special withdrawal. So on the 100k account, I'm up in profit. Here. See, the next trade I'm going to get, I'll take on this 100k account. I'm going to be putting down the 1% risks, and if that trade goes in profit, it's going to help me pass this account straight up. So that's the plan for the next trade. It's going to help me pass this account because I'm going to add to that trade and just see what I can get from the trade. If it goes well, then I'm definitely going to pass this account. So but for the P&L, close trades, 7 days. So I made about $1,500 this week. It was a great week. I took just 2 trades, and something I really love about the whole thing is the discipline for me. That's like where my focus is really in. I'm so focused in that part of life right now, or in my trading right now. I told myself I was going to take only 2 trades this week, and I did that. That's more important than winning a trade setup. Regardless of if I won this trade or lost it, I took 2 trades alone for the week, and that's more important than winning a trade setup. But I know so many people do not understand what I'm saying or perceive it to be truth. Why? Because there's a way you think about trading. but it's just a matter of time before you start thinking straight. That's if you do not give up. When you start thinking straight, you now know that, okay, yeah, things like this that I say every time on this channel are truth. So let's see how it goes. Next week is going to be a great week. It's definitely going to be a great week. I'll catch you guys. You know the vibe. Great week we had this week. Next week is going to be the best. It's going to be the best ever. The best week I've ever seen. Let's see how it goes. Bless you guys.